teman ya di kamjai jai mong.
Teman ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya hu MLA sungyi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Menteri Kesehatan Khih ke Sorkar jelau bawa ila miki shela ula pentip baka Tura Medical College kan tepen sedang no eka semai jing puli bat kejing thongkam yakino hi kairu kelaya chakman ha kejing kram miki larp thai ko boro ba shela ula yatho bahak bas dang latmu ban penya ia ke college puli doktor ling baka public private partnership mode hindai namar kejing Khih Bitar jangki Paidbah kerilum garo ke Sorkar kelahap ban shim ban penya hino.
Medical college, like last time I already briefed to the press that no doubt at the beginning we were planning looking at the many challenges of getting the teachers and this faculty. That's why we are planning to go for PPP mode. But after seeing the concern from the race by the locals from the Garo Hills region, so that's why then we have done away with the PPP mode. So now we are going for the government college there. So we have started the recruitment of the faculty. So definitely if everything goes well, so hopefully by next session we'll be able to start the Tura Medical College. As of such, we have not got any special consideration as of now.